AM radio station DWIZ has apologized to the family of former President Benigno Aquino III after Abogado Larry Gadon claimed in one of its programs that the late president had HIV. In a tweet, DWIZ apologized without naming Gadon but mentioning the title of the show, Karambola. Gadon claimed on air that he was told by a friend that Aquino has HIV. The former president's sisters, however, said he died due to renal disease secondary to diabetes.
It is with profound grief that on behalf of our family, I am confirming that our brother, Benigno Noynoy Aquino III, died peacefully in his sleep. His death certificates pronounced his death at 6:30 a.m. due to renal disease secondary to diabetes.
A support group for people living with HIV has condemned Gadon's claim. In the statement, the Red Whistle quoted Gadon's words. The Red Whistle is considering the filing of a disbarment complaint against Gadon. Apart from the filing of criminal charges.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.